This episode is sponsored by City Traders Imperium. CTI is a prop trading firm looking for profitable Forex traders who need more capital. CTI will back its traders up to $2 million, which is the most in the industry, and thousands of traders worldwide are trading their capital remotely from their own home. It's the most flexible funding provider in the industry, where any strategy is welcome and overnight or weekend positions are allowed. Plus, CTI doubles your account every time you hit 10% net gain, which you can scale up to $2 million. Click the link in the description to find out why City Trader offer the best funded trader program in the industry, or visit citytradersimperium.com. All right, folks, welcome to the Trading Nut YouTube channel. We've got Aman here, all the way from Dubai. He goes by the name Million Pips on the likes of Instagram and on the web. Now, welcome to the show, Aman. So today you're going to walk us through a trade that you actually showed me the start of in our Telegram chat a week or so ago. And we're now sort of advanced forward a week, which is great because we've got some proof as to what's actually happened. I'm just going to show, after we cut, I'm going to show the trade that you sent me, or the video you sent me, or just some of it, so people can see that sort of before picture. And then we'll come in with the after picture, and you're going to teach us a little bit on the screen as well about how you trade. Is that right?
Sure. Thank you. First of all, thank you, Cam, for having me on your show. I'll just walk through it, like how do I analyze my chart? Okay, how do I prepare for the upcoming weeks? And that's how we take the trade based on the supply and demand rule. All right.
Cool. Okay, let's do it.
All right, Cam. I'm just showing this chart. I'm not going to talk much about this. This trade I already shared with you before. So this is where my first take profit is it. Okay. Now, how do I analyze my chart? Right. So first, what I do. This is one of our Excel sheet. Okay.
Actually, before you do, can you just show me? I can't see the Excel sheet, but can you show us the R on that particular trade, because I think it's quite phenomenal. If it gets to the bottom, and guys, we might be able to check this out. So just click on the little green box there, so we can see what. So 6.67 on this trade. So by the time I release this, we may be further down, and I might just add this to the end of the video and see if you did get your second take profit, or if it hit break even, which will be quite fun. Okay, guys, just jumping in here quickly. Now, this is the after pick that happened. This is what happened after, basically. We did the little interview there in the video. So, guys, you can see here, it had us take profit too. So, it was a fantastic trade, like 6 point something, maybe 7 point something R on the trade. So, guys, let's get on with the rest of the video. See how he did it. See how he breaks down his price chart.
Welcome. My entry was here. I took a risk here, but it's just like 1 pip. It just touched my entry, just touching this week. I'll just zoom it. It just touched this week. I was in the trade and it's continuing down. So it already hit my take profit, the first take profit. I had 2 more positions running, but I moved into some small profit. So let's see how it plays.
Okay, cool. Right now, you're going to jump in and tell us how you analyze a trade. So yeah, if you want to share your Excel, and let's have a look at this.
All right. But basically, this is the Excel sheet where it's programmed. Actually, it's programmed by one of my students, brilliant student. Yeah, is really doing good. So on this, what we do, we just go to Trading View, right? We just go to Trading View. You can see the Trading View, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We go to Trading View and we go to the index of the currency index. Sorry. So we go to currency index and we see, let's say, for example, dollar. What the dollar is doing right now. So we start from higher time frame. And we know that the dollar is gonna drop till here. There's no doubt it's gonna drop here. It's after such a strong drop, it's just doing a pullback. So on the weekly, it's in my supply still here, and on the daily time frame, I see this supply is in control. Why do I say this is supply? Because the sellers, they bring the market down, which break this low. That means there's a lot of sell pressure here. Today the market open and we see already it's in the bearish. That means the dollar is bearish. So what I go do here, I come here, I put this dollar as a bearish, right? Then I go to euro. I go to euro and I see what euro index is doing, the currency index. So if I look here, euro has been just, when you look at the higher time frame, you know, the price is just going up. We still have a lot of rooms to the price to push up because the market moves in waves. So after a new high, the price need to make a new low. And this is where I see the price still in demand. High, low, high, low, high, low, but there's no new low. We are still in demand. I see still the rejections here. So that means the price is going to push up. So if dollar is coming down and euro is going up, that means it's going to give me a signal that I should buy euro USD. And this is my signal. You see euro USD?
Yep.
Okay, so now that means I got my buys that I'm going to look for buying this opportunity. That's where then if I want to trade intraday, because the market is already too high right now. Okay, but still I can look for a trading my intraday. So that means I go to Euro USD. I just jump into my Euro USD chart and I will look for my buying or selling opportunity. So let me just remove all this drawing. So if you look at it, as I say, the price definitely is gonna go up here. It's gonna go up here, but today or tomorrow or maybe next month, but it will go up. So we go to daily time frame. I'm still in control. My demand is in control. This is my whole demand, and I'm especially to trade this market. I'm looking for a small risk and big reward because I still feel that on the lower time frame there's an unfilled order here. There is a still big banks, institutes, they will buy from here. Okay, that's a high probability trade. It can happen, it can come down, or it can just go up from the current price itself. But I want to be buyer in this area. I'll be looking to buy this market in this area. This is the support resistance where the traders start buying and they will be stopped out. The market will come down and it will go up. Unless if the price break the structure, okay, because currently the price made a new low. That's the reason the price went up. If price break this structure, then I can look for a buying opportunity. But currently I'm going to buy only this area. This is where my pending orders are sitting right now. Okay, I'm not going to enter anywhere. As I said, I enter from zone to zone. This is my zone where I want to look for a buy. This is my zone where I'm going to look for sell. I'm not going to enter anywhere in between, because if you enter in the middle of the zone, 90% chances you are going to lose money. Okay, this is my small risk. This is my big reward. If the market come here, I'm going to look for buying opportunity. This is going to be my swing trade, which can take place maybe 1 week to enter my take profit, but definitely I'm going to have a different target. Let's say, for example, market drop here. My first take profit will be here. Second, I'm going to break even. Let the market do what it has to do.
Nice. Brilliant. And so the reason for ignoring those zones in the middle is simply because your risk would be too big.
Yeah, I'll just show you one of my trade which we took on the GBP USD. This is my trade which I shared with my team, and even I shared on my YouTube channel. This was my entry. Okay, this was my entry. My risk was 85 pips and we achieved almost a 700 pips take profit. This was my actually a target area. So now when you see actually what happened, we missed the move, origin move from here itself. Okay, so once the market made a move from here, because my order was a little bit down here and I missed that order, then I waited, let the market break this structure, break the supply, let the demand to be formed. So what happened when the demand is formed, this was our area, and if you look here, this is my entry, this pin bar. Okay, this was my entry, and I started holding my trade. My first take profit was here, market reverse. This is where the psychology effect, people start trading their running trades, right, in the profit. I move into a break even. It did not hit my break even and it went all the way up to 700 pips and still going up. Okay, because the price made a new high, it has to pull back, so it came to a demand. So this trade already shared with my team.
Superb.
One more trade I just wanted to share with you, the US 30. As I said, like when Mr. Trump said he made the price all-time high, right? So this is where my take profits were. So my take profits hit, the market reverse. Look at this crash. Okay, and our entry was here. This is my entry. First take profit, second take profit, third take profit. So why should I enter in the middle of the zone and burn my fingers, right? If I'm getting this entry, why should I miss this?
And did you move after taking the second take profit, where was your stop at that point?
Second take profit, my third position is here.
Right.
That means I'm already in profit. Even if I'm wrong, it will stop that. See, I've just explained to you something on this chart. I'm sure it will be helpful for a lot of newbies, those who don't understand what is supply and demand. This is my demand. Price made a new high, price come back. This is my demand. Price made a new high. Okay. Price made a new high, break this structure, price come back. Okay. So now price made another new high, but it break the structure, but it come to a higher time frame of supply. What's going to happen in US 30? If you look at here, price is too high. So who's buying this area? Or the only retail traders, right? So the big banks institute, they're sitting here. If I want to go short in this market, I just need a price action confirmation that I may take a swing trade. But right now, still there are possibility the market is going to go up. Okay, I'm not saying it will not go up, it will go up. that is a long story to talk about fundamental, but
and so you wouldn't take a short on that that exit on the third take profit? No,
I will not take a short right now.
Yeah.
I need a price action confirmation, and if the price action give me confirmation, this is going to be my a long-term swing at least till this area. All right, but of course there's a rule to follow on that. And right now, just to tell you a little bit about the fundamental thing, currently everything is high. Gold is high, silver is high, stocks all-time high, your index is all-time high. How is it possible if everything is high? So it's all hype. So we do expect another recession. So it can happen maybe end of this year, maybe beginning of next year.
Yeah.
So right now what we have, it's a relief rally. After a crash, it's relief rally. I have predicted the crash also on US 30. Just to show you where we got this into the market when there was a crash was this area, 4-hour time frame. I'll just show you. This was predicted with my team, in this group. So after the crash, we got this zone. Okay, this zone was there, and this is where I said, okay, guys, look for a shorting the market and profit. I said, don't think about profit. You're gonna get a big one. So this was our area. The whole area dropped. Whole area. Okay, that was my entry, and this is the fact I'm telling you. This is the trade which I have predicted. And I have shared also video about this before and after. So price really dropped hard. So this was a crash. You can see this was like a pandemic crash, but the price was too high. It was just a hype was going on, like, going up. Because see, just in terms of economics, just to tell you that it takes 10 years the market to go up, and it just takes 1 year the market to drop. All right. So this is where the recession happened. 2008 was the recession. So we expected 2018 to be recession, but it extended till 2019. But it happened, start showing you the sign in 2019 and January, we got the coronavirus. That was just an excuse. Market has to drop. So it dropped. And now who's buying right now? The big banks and institutes are buying at the low price. This is the zone. Look, boom. So now it's come here. Now we need some more confirmation whether we want to short this market. Otherwise, the short is coming soon. It might make another trap, and it will trap all the retail traders, and then the market is going to crash for sure, because we are all-time high. So who's buying this time? The all-time high. Everyone wants to buy something at the cheap price. So this is the cheap price. They bought it. It came to a strong zone now. So we will see the reaction soon. So I'm sure the people who is going to watch this video after a few months, they will surely tell, okay, Aman was predicted this move.
All right, brilliant stuff there. I've got to say, I haven't seen trades with that much reward in a long time here on Trading Nut. So look, Aman, before we wrap up, what's the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
They can follow me on the Instagram. I put my trade ideas. A lot of people are learning just looking at the charts, and I do also teach. They can visit my website www.millionpips.com, where we teach and we also share our trade ideas on the weekly basis and also on the daily basis if you find something good zones to trade.
Well, guys, look, do be sure to go and check out the podcast I just recorded with Aman as well over there on Trading Nut. There should be a link underneath the video, and hit subscribe, hit the little bell, hit all, so you can get videos like this in the future. All right, thanks for watching.